There is a way to kill the wizard.
Who's this mysterious character?
Shadowjacker, you haven't come out of your masturbation cave in eons!
It's high time I emerge from my cum cocoon. I grow tired of eavesdropping and masturbating to the sounds you all make.
Jesus Christ, all right, could use a little more mystery. Oh, just now seeing the staff.
We've never had enough sluts to defeat a wizard. Now, with the 4 fresh, wet sluts that just landed on our doorstep, we finally have a chance.
So killing the wizard will break my soul bond.
Yes, it solves all of our problems. We must begin a 10-slut soul orgy.
Wait, what?
And become the all-slut Phoenix Dragon.
Wait, hold on. There's gotta be something else in here. Just give me a second. I haven't read all this yet. Oh my God.
Maybe don't tell your parents we did this.